Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using if else statement in Java. So let's get started. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program which will print grades based on the marks secured by the student in the exam. If the student gets the marks which are greater than or equal to 90, then the Java program that you are writing should print grade A as an output of the program. If the marks of the student are greater than or equal to 75, then the program has to print grade B in the output of the program on running the program. Then if the marks are greater than or equal to 60, then grade C should be printed as an output of the program. If the marks are greater than or equal to 40, then grade D should be printed in the output as an output of the program. Then if the marks are less than 40, then the Java program should print fail as an output. So as a hint, you need to use if else statement in this Java program. To get this kind of output, you need to use if else statement as part of this program. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.